Walaikum assalam. I think it's been a really successful event. Uh, the speakers, the lineup, the topics, I think were very relevant to the stage of development that the industry is in terms of technology, digitization in Pakistan. And additionally, some of the kiosks that you have that present some of the emerging technologies which are out there, for example, cloud, Red Hat, others, is also sort of adding to the knowledge set and information base of the technology participants that are based in Pakistan. So I've always looked at the glass being half full versus half empty. So I'll start with the customer first and then go around to the challenges. The reality is whatever we do, so whether that is in a conventional mechanism like a brick and mortar branch, or whether it is a digital channel like a mobile app or internet banking, or services for corporates and SMEs, card authorizations, those are various tools to meet the changing needs of the customer. And when we look at Pakistan, the customers now are becoming, because of the knowledge explosion, the digital, the internet, are becoming more and more aware of how their everyday lives can be made easier through a combination of brick and mortar and technology. So the opportunities here are really how do we create more frictionless interactions for customers with the government, with the various businesses and the counterparties. The challenges there obviously is going to be how quickly do we develop the competencies, the core critical mass that we need that allows us to do this journey more from a better mix of international participants and experts, as well as the homegrown domestic technology company. Because when you look at the examples globally of how technology has evolved in various countries, eventually there's a significant critical mass of expertise, skills, resources, and manufacturing that eventually comes in those countries that allows them to then lead in the world. I think Pakistan has a tremendous opportunity, for example, for software development. So you look at the explosion of freelancers, and now we're putting that as a separate industry and a separate needs section. I think the investments and the developments in technology is really one of the ways that we can leapfrog Pakistan's economy and take that forward. So I think it gives us three things. It gives us the ability to have a more modern, developed core. We are fortunate that we will be one of the few banks that will be converting into the Release 23. Which is one of the latest releases that Temenos has to offer, which will provide us scalability, which will provide us features, that could help us. Our positioning has always been, we're not just a bank. We aspire to be, and we are a technology company with a banking license, right? So from that angle, a core application for a financial institution is at the heart of this, but clearly it will remain, it has been and will continue to remain about the customer. And this allows us to take the friction out of a lot of the transactions that the customers do currently manually, or the scalability or the reliability. So for us, it is a very exciting time. It's a very busy time as well, because conversions are not easy and they're a multi-year project. But when you look at the end state and the capabilities, it allows us to strengthen what is already our market-leading competencies and take them further.